Hello everyone, welcome along to a fairly chilly workshop here at Rathbone Manor, and today I'm going to be taking a look at my barbed wire cutter collection here. I have quite a collection of fencing tools, like this style of fencing tool, but today we're going to take a look at these fellas. We have an American pair and two, I think this one's British made as well actually, yeah, made in England. So we've got two British made wire cutters and an American set of barbed wire cutters as well, and also this fairly dodgy sprung wound up length of barbed wire here that I managed to acquire recently, so we can actually test barbed wire cutters with some barbed wire. First of all, I have this American set of barbed wire cutters here. These are marked US HKP 1944. You can see they've been used for something because the jaws look a little bit iffy in places. The chip out just there, for instance. These have plastic coated handles to make them comfortable to use, and we have a little adjustment screw just up here too. I don't know if you can see that, guys, but there is a little adjustment point just there for them. They're quite lightweight compared with the other two pairs. Next up we have a British made pair of wire cutters, again with an adjustment point just here, and these ones actually have either Fage or Page Ironside made in England on them. They operate in a similar fashion to the American cutters there. I'm not sure of the age of these ones, but they also have the owner's mark just there twice, and just there twice as well. And these are a little bit heavier than the American branded wire cutters. I think I've seen these down as a World War I, so this is probably a copy of a World War I cutter. I'm not sure on that, but that's what I've seen online anyway. And lastly, we have my favourite set of wire cutters. These have been about for quite some time. You very often can find these at boot sales with World War I markings on 1914, etc., anywhere between 1914 and 1918. I'm not sure how old these pair are, but they might be, because we have got some numbers and markings on the handles here. But just here, for instance, we have 1962, maybe a faded number just there, it's like a 73 maybe, and 57, so maybe these are from 1957, I'm not sure. What else have we got on these? We've got JB Limited, and also somewhere on here, where is it? The broad arrow mark and a number 1. And it doesn't look like these are sold out of service either. Someone's just taking these along with them when they've left the services. These things I have seen with pouches. You can get pouches for these. This pair didn't come with a pouch. They do have a lanyard hole just here, and they fold out. This is quite nice because they're quite small and compact, but quite heavy, and you just fold them out like so, and we're ready to go. You can get quite a lot of leverage on here, look, and they're quite easy to get onto the barbed wire too, which we'll be taking a look at in a moment. So let's have a quick look at the barbed wire. This here is a very short length of contemporary barbed wire that I managed to pick up recently. It's galvanised, as you can see, quite spiky. I'm going to continue using my gloves with this stuff. It's quite here we go, nearly. It's quite springy, is this stuff. So I'm going to have to be a bit careful with it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to be holding it in my vise here. We'll have a little length sticking out of the vise here so that we can get the cutters on there easily and quickly without risking life and limb with the barbed wire. Now then, obviously if you're in some kind of a conflict and you come across barbed wire, you want to be able to get your cutters on there as quickly as possible without exposing yourself to fire, etc. So we've got these 1944 vintage American cutters here. They open up about this far. It's not very far at all, really. You can get a good grip of them, and we can drop them onto the barbed wire quite quickly. Cut as easy as that. So that's quite a good job done by the American cutters then. Let's move along to the Fage Ironside. These are a little bit shorter than the American cutters, so we won't be able to get the same amount of leverage on them, but they do use the similar rolling style as you can see here. And we've also got this going on, guys. So they need a drop of oil, but they've got, as I say, they've got this rolling style of cutting going on here. Hopefully should make things easier. So look, so we've got them open. They don't open very far, look. I can still get a bit of a grip on them. So how quickly can we drop these onto the barbed wire? Fairly quickly. How easy they are to cut the barbed wire. Well, they took a little more effort than the American equivalent. Okay, let's try the British-made folding barbed wire cutters here. As you can see, once you open them up, they've got this specially designed jaw here. So you can just, they go over the wire quite quickly. Snip, as easy as that. Quite easily done. I must say I'm quite surprised by how much effort is required for these, unless the blades are slightly blunt, but slide it on, and cut. So yeah, a little bit more effort required on these for some reason or other. So unless the cutters are slightly blunted somehow, but they don't do too bad a job actually, guys. I've also found that these particular cutters are very good at cutting these 3-inch nails here. What diameter are these? Let's have a look. They're roughly about 4mm diameter, roughly, nails. Let's see how easy it is to knock the head off of this nail then, shall we, guys? Oh, there we go. Not too bad at all. That's quite easy. Wonder if the other pair are any good at this. Let's try the American one, see if they'll do it. Probably not, because they're quite small. Get them on there. I can't get it because of the tripod's in the way. Hang on. Should be better. Let's have a look. Can the American ones do it? Let's have a look. Oh, blimey. Well, that was easy. Blimey, that was a lot easier than I thought. Hasn't damaged the blade either. What about the little the Fage Ironside then? So they can do the job on it too. They're a bit... It took a bit more doing, but they seem to have done it. Okay, that was interesting then, guys. Yeah, so they're all quite good at cutting barbed wire and these nails as well. I think the most effort was required by the Fage Ironside. No damage to the cutters, which is a good thing. We didn't do any damage to the American cutters either. They cut the nail really, really easily. I was quite surprised due to the short handle. And of course the British military issue cutters didn't bother with them at all. You know, they didn't find any trouble cutting them whatsoever. So that's pretty cool then. So you'll have to let me know, guys, which is your favourite barbed wire cutters of this lot. These are my favourite pair here. I quite like these ones. Got these from the car boot sale. Can't remember how much I paid for them. These came from the car boot sale, and these were given to me by somebody where I work, because he was clearing out family members' garage and came across them and thought I might like them, and I do. 1944 World War II American barbed wire cutters. As I say, I think I've seen these for sale as World War I, but you know, I don't know how accurate that is. I'm not sure how old these ones are, but as I say, we do have somebody's initials stamped into them, so obviously somebody used them on a job, I would imagine, probably wire fencing maybe, I don't know. And these are obviously UK government issue from some time in the past, not sure, maybe 57, don't know. It's got 57 on the numbers just there, so they could be 1957, I don't really know. They've also got what appears to be 73, so who knows? Don't know how old these are. These are not really old ones going back to First World War, but they are the same pattern as the First World War ones, and they do a very, very good job, quick and easy job of slicing through barbed wire, which is exactly what we want. As I say, if you're under fire, you don't particularly want to be spending 2 or 3 moments trying to cut your way through barbed wire. You want to get it done as quickly as possible. Alright then, guys, well, I hope you found this video interesting and informative. If you did, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. You can share the video with your friends and give me a thumbs up as well, because that will help the channel too. As I say, I have got some other fencing style tools in my collection, so maybe I might give those a go with the barbed wire and see how well they do. Alright then, guys, well, thanks for watching. Thanks for popping over. You can all go and get yourself a nice warm cup of coffee and get warmed up now, because it's not very warm here today at all. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.